there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you the best contact solution out there. It's the Opti-Free, and this one is the Replenish. Now, Opti-Free has several different kinds of contact solution, and I've tried several of them and do really like them. This time I got the Replenish, which is an enhanced comfort, and I do really like it. So using contact solution is super easy. You just pop your contact out, put it in the little case, and then put in your contact solution. Or if your contact needs to be cleaned a bit, you can put it in the palm of your hand, put some solution on the contact, rub it a little bit, and then proceed to put it inside of the case with the solution. It's really important to get a good solution, I found. When I use some of the off-brands, I find that my contacts don't feel as clean, they irritate my eyes, and they get dried out. This also did come in a 2-pack, and this is the 10 fluid ounces. So I would definitely recommend getting the Opti-Free Replenish for all your contact solution needs, and that is my point of view.